Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are moving to Tabu Search Algorithm. First of all, what is mean by Tabu Search Algorithm? It is also a local search algorithm like VND. We discussed in the last session. It is also local search algorithm. Mainly, it is used for solving combinatorial optimization problems. For optimization problems, we are moving to Tabu Search Algorithm. For example, consider VND algorithm. What is mean by this VND? This VND algorithm is also a local search algorithm. It uses multiple neighborhoods to exploring the node systematically. Whenever it stucks in one neighborhood, it switches to another neighborhood. That is the VND algorithm uses a multiple neighborhood structures, but coming to this taboo, instead of multiple, it maintains a single neighborhood structure with some memory. And one more point is this VND is a greedy approach. What is mean by greedy approach? At each and every state, it accepts a better solution. That means you are getting a better one, then only move to the next one. But this taboo is not a greedy search. That means even though there is no improving moves, it moves to the next one. That means it allows non-improving moves to escape the local optima. Now you got it? The main difference between VND and Tabu Search. Now we will discuss the basic components that are used in Tabu Search. Once you understand these basic components, we are moving to the algorithm along with example. What are the components? Local search base. The local search base means simply starts with initial solution. Each and every step explore the neighborhood solution. Yes or no? So starts with initial solution. We are iteratively explore the neighborhood solution without extra rules. This may get in a local optimum. Simply, this local search is called engine of the algorithm. Local search base is called engine of the algorithm. Now, taboo list means a short-term memory. The thing is, instead of visiting already visited node, it maintains some memory. See this one? A memory structure storing recently visited solution. Suppose if one solution is already visited, no need to visit the solutions once again. That means it prevents cycling back and repeating the same solution. That is the advantage of taboo list. How? By maintaining the memory. The simple point is it maintains the memory to avoid cycles. This is the second main component. What is the third component? Aspiration criteria. Aspiration criteria means each and every taboo means some memory, contains some restrictions. What is the restriction? If you are getting a better solution, then only you are allowed to move. But this aspiration overrides the taboo restrictions. If the move leads to a solution better than any found. So main thing is ensures the good opportunities are not missed, even if they are taboo. That means even they are visited, to to avoid the good opportunities, always it moves. The simply aspiration criteria in the shortcut we written as simply a smart rule to override the restrictions. Whatever the restrictions that are already fixed, simply it overrides the restriction. Diversification means directs the search towards unexplored area. For example, some nodes are unexplored. For example, these are, we are exploring only these nodes. This node is unexplored. So this diversification directs the search towards this unexplored area of this solution. What is the reason? Instead of avoiding, or so simply being stuck in one region, we are moving to another regions. For example, you are doing multiple number of iterations, there is no progress. After multiple number of iterations also there is no progress, then we are moving to a different solution. To get the answer, you are moving to different solution. Next, intensification. So diversification means, what is the simple notation? Explore new regions. If you are not getting solution in the existed one, we are exploring the new regions. So intensification is simply opposite to diversification. Instead of exploring new regions, it mainly focus on the promising regions. Why? Where in the promising regions we are getting high quality solutions. So this is simply called exploit good regions. So these are the main components that you are using in the Tabu search. Now, what is the concept? Simple thing. First, initially you are at local search base. What is the local search base? Initial solution plus neighbor. Then these are moved to taboo list. Taboo list in the sense a short term memory, and this is moved to aspiration criteria where it overrides the taboo it founds. It moves to diversification means explore the new areas, and then intensification means focus on the promising regions, again moves to the cycling process. Exactly, we will discuss same thing in the form of algorithm. Observe the algorithm. The concept is initially start with some solution. Yes. Assume this is my best solution. Assume this solution S is my best solution. For this solution, generate the neighborhood solution. Generate the neighborhood solution. Now among the neighborhoods, select the best neighbor. Select the best neighbor. Not taboo means up to now that neighbor is not placed in the memory, means that neighbor is not at all visited. Among all unvisited neighbors, select the best admissible neighbor. Once you are selecting the best one, update the current solution. Update the current solution. Yes. Now, if the yes is better than best, whatever the initial solution, now I am getting one solution. If the solution is better than my existing solution, simply we are updating. Once an update is happened, that solution is added to the taboo list. That is, that solution is visited. Now you got it. The same process, generate the neighbor if it is the best solution and place in the taboo. If it is not, ignore, move to the next best solution. The same process is repeated. Now we will discuss this algorithm in the form of one example. You will get clear idea. After that, we will move to examples, advantages. Assume the problem is some traveling salesperson problem. Here, I have 5 cities A, B, C, D, E. The goal is you need to find the shortest tour. Shortest tour that visits all the cities exactly once. You already know, if a city is visited, no need to visit the city again and again return to the start. Now, A to B, assume 10. These are the distances or cost, whatever it is. So, A to B, A to C, A to D, A to E, like this. So, like this. Now, starting with what is the step one? Step one is initialization. We are starting with one initial solution. You can take any initial solution. Initially, there is no restriction. Initially, there is no restriction. Now, what I am doing initially, I am taking A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A, and E to A. Generally, this is my initial solution. What is the cost? A to B cost 10, B to C cost 6, C to D cost 9, D to E cost 5, and A to E or E to A both are same 15. Now the cost is 15, 20, 29, 39, 45. Now the cost is 45. Now initially I assumed the best cost. Right now the best cost is 45. Now what about my taboo? Till now the taboo is empty. Taboo is empty. Clear? This is the initial solution. According to algorithm, my initial solution, the best solution contains 45. What is the second step? You need to generate the neighbors and then select the best admissible. Now, generate neighbors. So here you can do any neighboring rules. So the neighbors are generated by, here my rule is swapping. You can change anything. My rule is swapping. Remember, A is the starting position, so no need to swap. Here what I am doing, A is fixed. I am swapping the cities B and C. So that means what is the thing? Instead of A to B, now observe, if you are swapping B and C, I am moving from A to C and then C to B. I am swapping these two cities and D and E and A. This is one thing. And if you are swapping C and D, or if you are swapping D and E, now you got the point. My neighborhoods, there are three neighbors. I am generating three neighbors. In the first neighbor, the swapping of B and C. Second neighbor, swapping of C and D. Third neighbor, swapping of D and E. Now calculate the cost of each and every one. Now A to C. What is the cost of A to C? So here I will write for cost A to C, C to B, D, E, A. I think this one. Now A to C, the cost is 12. B to D, the cost is 14. D to E, the cost is 5. E to A, the cost is 15. So 20, 30, 40, 56. This is the cost. So for neighbor 1, the cost is 56. Now what is the neighbor 2? A to B, B to D, and D to C, C to E is. Check this one. A, B, D, C, E, A. Now A to B, the cost is 10. B, D, the cost is 14. C, E, the cost is, sorry, D, C. Where is D, C? D, C, the cost is 9. C, E. C, E, the cost is 11. And E, A, the cost is 15. So here the total cost is 24, sorry, 15, 15, 15 plus 11, 26, 26 plus, anyway, 10 plus 14, 24, 24 plus 9, 33, 33 plus 11, 44, 44 plus 15, 59. So this is the cost. This is the cost. Now, if you are swapping the third one, what is the third case? A, B, C, E, D, F. A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E, sorry, here E. A to B, B to C, E, D, A. What is the cost? 10 plus 6 plus 11 plus 5 plus 8. Now the cost is 16, 20, 15, 40. The cost is 40. Now among these three, which one is the best? 40. That means I am selecting this neighbor. I am selecting this neighbor. Okay, in the next slide, anyway, costs are there. So 40. This is my current solution. Now, what is the best one? Right now, the best cost is 40, and you are updating the taboo list. We are updating the taboo list. What do you mean update? In this, we are recording the swapping of D and E. So we do not do it. Swapping of D and E. From now onwards, you are considering the list A, B, C, E, D, and A. Again, the same process. Here I am not repeating. The same process is repeated. What is this one? Swap B and C. Swap B and C. Swap C and E. This one is no need to consider. Why? This swapping is already stored in the taboo list. If it is stored in the taboo list, is the operation is completed. That operation is completed. You got it? The same process is repeated multiple number of times. Suppose you are getting this answer. Now the cost is 38. This is the final solution of taboo search. This is the final solution of taboo search. What are the advantages of this taboo search? It escapes local minimum. Why? Even though there is no improvement, but it accepts. It is adaptable to many problems. It uses the memory. Then it avoids cycling. That is, recalculation is also avoided. But the main thing is the size of the taboo is a very important, and expanding of large number of neighborhoods is also very costly. This is the final Tabu search algorithm. The final thing is compared to VND, it maintains multiple neighbors. The tabu search maintains single neighbor. Simple concept. Start with the initial solution, generate the neighbor, pick the best admissible neighbor, update the tabu list, continue until the stopping criteria occurs. Clear? That is the end of tabu search. Thank you.